Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best electric tankless hot water heater you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many electric tankless hot water heater and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each electric tankless hot water heater so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an electric tankless hot water heater. First, focus on the unit's flow rate, which determines how much hot water it can provide at once. Make sure it matches your household's usage needs. Next, check the power requirements and ensure your home's electrical system can support it. Some units need higher voltage or additional wiring. Also, look at the unit's energy efficiency rating, as a more efficient model can lower long-term energy costs. Don't forget to consider installation complexity and maintenance needs, as professional installation may be required. Lastly, review warranty coverage and brand reliability to ensure lasting performance and peace of mind. Choosing the right model means balancing performance, cost, and efficiency for your home. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful home improvement videos.